Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making it safe. Disconnect the spark plug or remove the battery so the head cannot spin. Once done, clear grass and debris from the cutting head and set the trimmer on a level surface to access the spool easily. Next, press the release tabs or rotate the cap counterclockwise, remove the cover and lift the spool out. This exposes the old line. You'll remove it now to prepare the spool for the new cord, making sure the spool grooves are clean and readable. Now measure the replacement line to the length recommended by your Husqvarna model, often 10 to 25 feet, and cut it. Once done, find the winding arrows on the spool. Make sure you wind in that direction to match the head's rotation. Wind evenly in tight coils, keeping tension so the line sits flat in the groove. Then anchor the line ends in the spool slots, leaving about 4 to 6 inches free. This prevents unraveling when you reinstall the spool and cap. Finish by threading the free line ends through the head eyelets, align the spool in the housing, and press it down until it seats. Then reattach the cap. Make sure tabs click or screw it until snug, but don't over-tighten. Reconnect the spark plug or battery and start the trimmer at low throttle to feed and verify line deployment. If the line won't feed, check for tangles or reversed winding. Reversing the spool or rewinding in the correct arrow direction usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.